Listen, I know meal prep is super complicated. You are super busy. I'm going to make this super simple and time saving for you. So 5 minutes or less is how you're going to get your meal prep for the whole week. This is what we're going to do. We're going to give you 3 turkey recipes in the crock pot. You have to set it and forget it. Go about your day, and you literally have 3 meals for lunch and dinner, the busiest times of the day, so you can keep your goals, get jacked, get ripped, all without like the stress of making a decision. All right, I'm Coach Hasagna, as you know. But anyway, we're gonna get right into it. So I went to Trader Joe. I got turkey. So I cut up the turkey. These are the turkey cutlets, 2 packages, about 10 bucks each. Then I bought some Irish potatoes from Trader Joe as well. 1 bag. These are the potatoes. They're going in the crock pot. Both of these things are going. Okay, these are my seasonings. All right, so I got whatever your seasonings are, that's what you are. Same thing what you're gonna do. Same thing with the turkey as well. Okay, so this is all you have to do for it. I have 2 crock pots set over here, already preset. So for the first recipe of the week, we talked about it. We have turkey and potatoes, okay? Now, the goal of this is to keep you happy and satisfied. Simple, so you don't feel like you're on a diet. Then for the pre-workout, if you're doing this for a pre-workout, it's just a serving size of your palm, like this, for the turkey, and then 1 serving size of the potatoes, pre-workout. If you're doing post-workout, you can have the same thing. 1 serving size of turkey for your palm, the size of your palm, but 2 serving sizes of your fist. All right, that's post-workout because you need more energy after you work out. So, boom. Only thing we're gonna do, put the turkey in the crock pot. That is it. All right, drop it off. All right, then you can add your seasonings. I'm not gonna show you that. Boom, get it out of here. Awesome. Now the longest thing that takes the most time are the potatoes. So, the potatoes, they go in the crock pot as well. This is it. You're going to season them as well. So I season them in the crock pot because it's easier for me. Boom, boom, boom. Get them out of here. Now that's all you have to do. Put it on there, season it, set it, and forget it. So to run it over, these are the 3 recipes from turkey. Okay? 1, cook the turkey, boil the rice. You could do that separately. It takes like 5 minutes. Then we have turkey and potatoes. Turkey's over here, once again, and then the potatoes are here. 2nd recipe. 3rd recipe, still using the turkey because it's 3 recipes for the turkey. And then you can add some zoodles, which are it's a spaghetti or pasta substitute. So you can literally do this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner 3 times out the week. We'll give you another 3 coming up. This does not take long. You should do this. If not, you're not going to win in the gym if you can't figure out a system to eat right. This is my system. I hope it works. If you have any questions, shoot me a DM or hit the site. See you later.